fullest.
It's Lady Julie TV. You're welcome to Lady Julie TV. You're welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use your zucchini, potato, carrot, and tomato in making your baby food at home. Then first of all, guys, all you have to do is wash your hand. Make sure everything you are going to make use of is clean because of your baby's head and the hygiene. Okay, so in making baby food, we need to be extra careful. Okay, guys, as you can see, I'm taking off the peel of the zucchini, and also I'm peeling the potato, and also I'm going to also peel the carrot before I use it. Okay, guys. So guys, once you finish peeling it, make sure you rinse it again before putting it on the fire. Okay, so I'm about to rinse it with my clean water, and after I have to transfer it inside a pot, clean pot. Once you transfer it inside the pot, all you have to do is to cover it and allow it to cook for some minutes. So make sure when cooking it, it is well cooked, and you have to observe it before, and make sure, don't forget to add some water to it as well in order for it to cook very well. So now you can see you cover it and allow it to cook. Okay, guys, so after some minutes I came back to check, and now it's ready. I'm about to check how far it has been cooked. So guys, you can see it's well cooked and very soft. Now you can see, wow. So with this, there will be no stress for you. So all you have to do is you have to transfer it inside a clean blender, and you blend it. And meanwhile, guys, if you don't have milk, you can as well use water. But how you can see here, I'm going to use my baby milk because my baby is 8 months. So you can use your baby milk, and you can also use this food method for your baby from 4 months old, guys. It's advisable for you to feed your baby like this. Make the food natural food for them. Okay, so you can see I finished blending it, and this is the outcome of it, guys. So I'm about to transfer it inside the plate. So guys, you can see, wow. You can see it. Oh, this is so yummy. Oh, I know my baby is going to like it, and she loves eating it. Compared to when I buy it from the supermarket, she prefer eating the one I cooked, my homemade one. She like it a lot. So guys, at the end of it, this is the outcome of it. So you can see how beautiful and delicious it's going to look like. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and God bless you. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment, share to your loved ones. Thank you guys, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.
Fullest.